Now another interesting point we often heard is that the ultimate controller is Krishna. What's the verse that describes that from Gita? Ishvara Sarvabhutanam Rid Desh Arjuna Tishtati Brahmayan Sarvabhutani Brahmayan Sarvabhutani Yantra Radharani Maya Yantra Maya Maya Yantra. There's a Maya. These are Maya. 3 Maya yantras. Actually, there's 6 of them. 3 Maya Devi yantras. But Maya yantra means the body made of material energy. Maya means composed of, made of. Yantra means machine. The living entity is seated. The Lord is seated in the heart of the living entity, who is on this body which is like a machine wandering throughout the universe. So it has been said that because Krishna is in the heart and he knows everything, past, present, and future, and he knows the identity of all his parts and parcels, he knows us better than we do, then he directs us to go to a particular line of thought, a particular line of gurus, a particular sampradaya. So this is the basic idea, that each individual jiva has a specific mood of love that Krishna has placed there in the heart. Let's make it, when one hears Harikatha and a greed awakens, it's called Lobhamaya Shraddha, his faith, and he's initiated by proper initiation, and he's hearing in parampara, then some intense greed awakens. It's due to last life's cultivation or this life's association. He becomes intensely greedy to worship a particular form of Krishna, or even more specifically to worship the associates of Krishna, a particular bhav. And that may be at the level of a narta nivriti. He's a beginner at the level of narta nivriti. He doesn't have the slightest idea of his sridadeya, because that won't even come to be clearly seen at bhava. He's a narta nivriti. But, and it's told, because of last life's association with Raganuga devotees and cultivation and hearing, he has intense greed and intense attraction and greed to worship Krishna Balaram, and he can't be swayed from that. And then he cultivates that, and then the Guru adjusts that, and then it's fine. He goes along cultivating Sakiras, and he comes to Bhava, and he finds out that he's a Manjari, and that's no problem. He becomes a Priyanarma Saka, because he may be a Saka with that mood of the Manjaris, assisting them in the Madhurya Bhav, like Sri Dhamma Subal. It's no loss. That's why Lord Chaitanya's fold is for everyone. Even a Ram Bhakta came, Anupam was a Ram Bhakta. He was in the following of Lord Chaitanya. And Lord Chaitanya said, listen, I'm giving prema to everyone. I'm giving Braja Prema to everyone. And the principal means by which I'm giving Braja Prema is the Maha Mantra. Because it's a Yugal Mantra, Radha Krishna Yugal Mantra, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. So listen, Anupam, you chant Hare Krishna. So Anupam was thinking, yes, I have to chant Hare Krishna. But I love Ram, I just love Ram. My whole life I'm just worshipping Ram and chanting Sitaram, Sitaram. And he couldn't sleep the whole night because he thought, if I give up my Ram mantra, then I'll be an offense to Ram, Sita Devi, as a Ishtadev. But then if I don't carry out the order of Lord Chaitanya and chant Hare Krishna, it'll be an offense to Lord Chaitanya, who's also my Shiksha Guru and my dear friend. So better I die. I can't satisfy Sita and Ram by chanting Hare Krishna, and I can't satisfy Lord Chaitanya by not chanting Hare Krishna, so better I die. So he was perplexed by a dilemma, paradox. So he went to Lord Chaitanya and said, listen, I want to give up my life. Oh, Anupam, I think it was Anupam. Why so? Because of this reason. I can't please you, and I might as well, if I can't please you, why should I live? There's no greater purpose in life than to please you, Lord Chaitanya. That's the perfection of my life. But at the same time, I can't give up chanting Sitaram mantra, because the perfection of life is also to please them. So better I can't please them and I can't please you, so my life is meaningless and worthless, so better, ching, throw it away. Then Lord Chaitanya smiled and he said, Anupam, it is all right. you don't have to chant Hare Krishna because you're a pure devotee of Sitaram. I was just testing you. So this story is there that, and people have different takes on this story, of course. That's like there with everything. In the philosophy, there's always 10 ways to look at every point. And but generally it's cited, where our acharyas say that this shows that the individual's sthayibhav is fixed, and it will just become more fixed. So if you start off hearing all about Radha and Krishna and developing Gopi Bhav and praying to become a Mandri of Radharani, and then you say, oh wow, I'm going to Vaikuntha. If someone comes to Lord Chaitanya, they're meant to be with Lord Chaitanya. Because because you were attracted to a guru, and what is a guru representing? He's representing some fine aspect of ourself which attracts us.